Everyone, and today I will be playing a game called Bloxy and Glory. So, I will be showcasing realistic models. Now that was the most least expected thing. Okay, let me showcase in peace, please. So, view the screenshot advised. I recommend not playing this game if you are scared. If you're scared. So let's join it first.
Because I hit me in the chest.
That looks painful. Look at this.
You can't hear yourself.
Okay, he cut my he cut my arm off. So let's showcase.
Help me, I'm gonna bleed.
So now that our whole bottom body is jointed to death. Now look at this. This is disgustingly cool.
Help me.
Now we're gonna showcase this.
Help me.
Yeah, this is disgusting.
You're disgusting. Maybe I'm just genuinely bad. I'm kidding, my dear. I'm just kidding. Look at you. Samir. Look at Samir. Samir. Okay, I'm kidding. Samir. Samir.
This looks painful and I know it. Now let's do right torso. Let's redo it, but while walking.
You know what? What? Please, right now.
Oh, that's what inside it looks like. Disgusting.
5,000 miles.
And then we'll go lift. They already know what it looks like. This is single-handedly disgusting. I hate. They need to make this more realistic.
Look at me, bro.
Nick, it keeps your skull attached. This game is not for the faint of heart. Nick.
I have one leg now.
Shows the teeth single-handedly, so it's a very realistic game.
I'm gonna jump. I said jump.
Now, yeah, seeing the torso. Then my all center is open. I'm dying actively due to blood loss.
Help me. Help.
Now,
Hi.
now we're gonna try unjoint it. So obviously it's just gonna remove my leg. Both sides.
Help me.
Here we go now, we don't have legs. Now let's remove our arms. This is satisfying. Now we're drowning in our own blood. Actively drowning in our own blood. Let's remove our lower torso. Disgusting and I know it.
Disgusting and I know it. And yeah, okay.
Now your heart pops out.
My sword, I can't use it right now.
Now let's try lift to broken.
Slowly.
Splits my body into two.
Oh my god, that was
Let's get
right
it.
in front of me.
Let's try upper torso, just moving. Nick.
Help, I don't have an arm again.
I like the jointed more.
Help, I
It
can't
looks
move.
terrible since the brain falls out. Now it's time for the center torso. So your heart drops out. So that's it. Right there. So you die without your heart for 3 seconds. Anyways, that there is the realistic model showcase. So bye.